Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia Styles. This is my monthly skincare routine. So I'm starting with my oral hygiene. I start with flossing my teeth using dental floss. Yes, this helps to get all the food particles from in between the teeth, specifically places where your toothbrush cannot reach. After I go in with brushing my teeth, I'm using Colgate. So after brushing, I also go in with my tongue scraper to clean my tongue, and also Colgate mint mouthwash for a fresh breath. To my skin, I start with aloe vera gel. I'm going to be using this as a shaving cream. Yes, you can use some oil cleanser. Yes, apply your oil cleanser and then go ahead to shave your face. So I normally shave once a month or once in 2 months. Yes, so I'm starting with my widow's peak. I really hate that thing on my face. So the aloe vera gel acts as a shaving cream because it is gentle on the skin and helps to calm and soothe irritated skin. So I'm cleaning everything with a paper towel, and then I'm going in with my Neutrogena fresh and clear daily exfoliator. So I apply this all over my face and then use my mini steamer. Yeah, to give my face some moisture so that my cleanser can get really in. The water is not hot, it is cold. This is just spraying water on my face. Yeah. So after I wash my face and then dry it with a paper towel. So I then go in with my mask. I'm using Bel Air face mask. So as the mask is sitting, I'm going to be waxing my underarms. Yes, I have my Johnson powder, my wax sticks, plus the waxing papers. Yes, the wax I'm going to be using, I made it myself. I have a video on how to make a sugar wax at home. Yes, so I apply my homemade sugar wax. After applying the powder, apply the wax, and then after use the waxing paper. So pull the waxing paper from the opposite direction. If you applied your wax going down, pull going up. If you applied going down, pull going up. Yeah. Yes, I hope that made sense, and it really stings. Yes, I'm not lying to you, it does sting a bit. So waxing helps to minimize the growth of your hairs, also to reduce dark underarms. You see, I'm really getting there. Yeah, my armpits used to be really dark, but since I started waxing, I'm in a lot better place. So I'm using my Palmer's cocoa butter moisturizer to moisturize my armpits. I hope you can see how clean my underarms look. They are really getting brighter and brighter each try. So after I washed my hands and then I came back to my face, yes, This is how my skin looks after the face mask. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Neutrogena Turmeric Face Mist Toner. The serum I'm using a Bib Heart Leaf Taker Calming Drop Serum. This really helps to calm irritated skin. Yes, it is very good on acne prone skin. So I'm going to go ahead and use my eye cream, the Cica Collagen eye cream from VT Cosmetics. This is a vibrating eye cream, so it vibrates as it massages your skin. The moisturizer, I'm using a Unique Beta Glucan 3X Barrier Cream. This is a lifesaver. This moisturizer is really good. I really love it a lot. The ability to absorb into my skin within a second, the way it moisturizes my skin, the way it leaves my skin feeling refreshed, soft, and you know, all the good things. I really love this moisturizer. So I'm also adding the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. I'm using it as my lip moisturizer. And this is my simple monthly skincare routine. Yeah, I hope you can see how glowy my skin is looking. Kindly share some of the skincare tips you would want me to add into my routine. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.